Hi guys, welcome to Reina Cocinera. Today I'm gonna show you how to make African chicken stew, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Tomato, fresh tomato, 1 kilo. We need tomato paste, fresh chili, onion, garlic, and ginger. Ayan. Now, first, this is the tomato. We need to blender it. And later, yan, i-blender natin. Ayan. So, titingnan natin. Ayan. Sa wakas. And then, ayan. So, after that, we're gonna transfer it to the pot. So look at the texture. So that's our one fresh tomato, 1 kilo fresh tomato. Now we're gonna put it in the fire. We need a medium heat. Yan, ganyan. So wait until the juice is it's gone. So yan, wala na yung juice. So it's look like paste na siya. So ayan. So to turn off natin yung light o yung fire, turn off. So now we need another pot. So we need it, and we pour, lalagyan natin siya ng 3 tablespoon of ayan, 3 tablespoon of oil and 2 pieces of onion. So we'll wait until the onion change color. After that, we put this tomato paste. I use Del Monte tomato paste. I use here for 150 grams. So now it's ready to put the tomato paste. Okay. Then after, you need it shake or yan, like that. So you see the color is red. So we need the color to make it translucent. So it's look like this, like that. It's brown, so it must be coated with the oil. Now we combine the tomato that we make earlier. Yeah, that's the fresh tomato. So we combine it together. So make sure it's combined together, like that. Good. Now we turn off the light and sit aside. Now we use the ginger. We put it in the chicken. That's the 1 kilo chicken. Put it in the pot. Then we put water. That's the 2 tablespoons of ginger. We cut it small cut. Then water. Then the fresh chili, of course, we're gonna put it there. And also the garlic. So but I use here only half garlic, so it look like 1 tablespoon, like that. And I think we need more water. The water is like a 500 ml. Okay, it's good. So it's ready to put in the fire. So we wait the chicken cook. So I put ground black pepper and chicken cubes. Then mix. Now the chicken is cooked. I put the tomato paste that I set aside earlier. So this is the look like. Make sure your chicken is cooked before you combine that tomato paste. So this is its look like. Now it's ready to eat. So guys, hope you Cook this in your house and try it. Our African chicken stew is good for the steamed rice. Thank you for watching.